Guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to the Tutorial channel. Right, so I've got these two brand new arrivals from Hobby Expo China. Okay, just got it off the plane. I want to unbox it together with you guys. Okay, let's check it out. So one R35 Liberty Walk. This would be the third variant from Inno for this super silhouette casting. Okay, and this would be a new casting, the GR86 Pandem. So this is actually really very nice. All right, so this will be the first one that I want to show you guys. Okay, so let me get it out of the box and we take a much closer look at it. Okay, show you guys the packaging first. Yeah, as you can see, this is a Toyota official licensed product. Very nice. There's this I believe this is actually a child safety sticker on the outside. Okay, so the product name, Toyota GR86 Pandem, Hobby Expo China 2025 Event Edition. Okay, this is a very classic Inno type of outline packaging from the back, and that is the car level die cast, right? Car level die cast. Yeah, that's the name of the distributor in China. Okay, so that is this guy. Let's get to it. I'm gonna open this one up. Okay, so got the wrapper out. Okay, here we go. I do quite like that inner card. This is actually very nice. DPLS X Inno. Nice. Tag wrap. Okay. So tag wrap, we understand that this is actually the product. I think it's wrap product material company. Okay, the company that produces the wrap materials. Okay, this is actually a classic basic black base. Okay, really like that black gold motif actually. That's the front. Hobby Expo China 2025 Inno logo at the back. Okay, definitely want to unscrew this and show it to you guys. Okay, so got it out of the base. Let me just put it aside and we take a much closer look at it. Look at that. Beautiful. Very nice casting, I must say. Very, very nice casting. When I saw Pandem release photos of this new body kit for the GR86, I was thinking this actually looks very nice. Very nice to have it in my hands actually. So because it's in black, so it's a little bit of a struggle to see the details. Okay, tail lights is a separate piece. Tailpipes are a separate piece as well. That's why it looks so realistic. Okay, look at that. That's why it looks so realistic. Very nice. The wing at the back, it looks like a separate piece as well. Look at that black gold gloss. Okay, but as usual, you can see my fingerprint on the black already. Okay, so this is something that pretty common with die-cast models with black paint. It's very easy to leave your fingerprint on it. So far, only one company that I know that have really high quality black paint that doesn't, that my fingerprint is not left on it, which would be from Impossible Perfect. Okay, they've well, that brand kind of died off. They haven't produced any products for a very long time already. Okay, all right. So this is the Pandem GR86, and of course we need to do the test, right? Okay. All right, the roll test. So this casting, yep, you can roll. Not bad, quite fast actually. You can hear it too. Nice. Nice, I like this. I think I will be collecting these. They have done this GR86 already. So this is the first time they do it with the Pandem body kit. Okay. INNO64, Gulliver 64. I'm wondering what is this? Gulliver 64, that's new. Never seen that name on any of the Inno products before. If you do know, let me know in the comment section below. Okay. Alright, so that's the GR86 Pandem. Next, we're gonna look into the R35. First, we'll check out the packaging, right? Hobby Expo China 2025 INNO64. So total 2 models. This is ZHUOHAO. Sorry if I mispronounced the name, okay? So official product name, R35 WIDEBODY. Okay, hang on. WIDEBODY. It's not Liberty Walk. That's strange. Okay. Okay. From what I understand, the real cars was actually displayed at the event. But what is this? Earthman? Yeah, I guess this is maybe the reasoning would be maybe tarmac when they announced the exclusive rights to produce scale models in a certain price range, and I believe that goes into the inno price range actually. Okay, so let's get it out straight. Okay, hang on. Here we go. Put it out. That's the packaging there. I'll open this one up. In the meantime, help me to hit the like button, okay? Because that will help me out with the YouTube algorithms. Okay, so that's another so-called plain base, classic base, I think I'll call it, because there's so many designs and variants to the base really right now. So it's kind of nice to see the classic base back in action. Hang on, let me get it up. Here we go. So this would be the third variant for this R35 and this super silhouette body. They have done this weathering effect before, so this is not new. The previous two versions are in full carbon actually. There was one regular release in full carbon, and then there is the all-in tuning exclusive release last year, another event in China that has full carbon with the gold accent to it. All right, the rims does look similar to last year's event, and yeah, that chase version, right, it's actually bronze in color, and it does have that weathering effect. So they have done the similar weathering effect on this matte grey version. Very nicely done. Made on Earth by humans. Nice. So instead of imagine everyone in the world living in peace. Say something different. Made on Earth by humans. It does look familiar. I think it has appeared somewhere before. Let me know, okay? Let me know if you do know in the comment section below. Because this logo, this sign here, does look very familiar as well. Okay? Tag Wrap, that's the company that produces wrap materials. Okay, there's the inno logo here in the middle. Very nice. I really like the weathering effect actually. Done very nicely. Okay. Alright, the GT-R logo in the middle. The yellow tinted headlamps, done very nicely as well. The canard details, I do quite like that Tiffany color touch, okay, on the edge of the parts, the canard and also the front lip. Very nicely done. Then if we go to the top, okay, the Tiffany stripe. Go to the back, that's the INNO64 logo. Okay, carbon fiber finishing. Check out the rear. Look at that, beautiful. Very nice taillights, tailpipes, wide fenders, very nice. Interior, I think similar to both, pretty plain. It's all in black, so I can't see much details. Yeah, the GR86 is in full black as well. So not much details inside. Okay, so as usual, yeah, the tires do turn, but you can hear, right? Can you hear that? And the rubbers rubbing on the body of the car. Okay, but it does roll for you guys who needs your model to roll. Cool. So that's it for this time around. Okay, these two models. So there you go, two new arrivals from Hobby Expo China from Inno. So which is your favorite? I would pick the GR86. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. So make sure you hit the like button because that will help me out with YouTube algorithms. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that I don't miss on any of my other scale model videos. Cool. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.